Some of the benefits of the technology include topology optimization, which enables customers to get rid of unnecessary mass in their components. Ultimately, this leads to lightweighting of components and enabling them to achieve efficiency and performance in whatever industrial sector they're operating from. The other aspect of the benefits would include being able to combine a lot more functionality into one component. An example of that would include customers that would go from an assembly that consists of 115 components to an assembly that's made out of 3 components. When you look to the assembly times associated with 115 components versus 3, it's clear that you can assemble these components in quicker time, and ultimately the risk of failure is reduced because you have less components in the assembly and ultimately less failure points. Another benefit of the technology is being able to implement conformal cooling channel into components, something that is near impossible to achieve with conventional manufacturing processes today. For heat exchangers, efficient cooling of hot components either in engines or in conventional manufactured components for cars, these are all aspects of the technology that we look to introduce to our customers that enable them to exploit the technology to become more competitive in all of their industrial sectors.